ladies and gentlemen, Romel Oliveros. And his opponent across the ring, fighting out of the red corner, Team Parañaque City, ladies and gentlemen, Ariel AAA Antimaro.
Okay, so nandito po tayo mga idol sa round number 1. Antimaro versus Oliveros. Scheduled for 8 rounds of professional boxing. Maligayang panunod mga idol. Credit to Elordi Boxing Team for this video. Ito, kalawete po si Antimaro mga idol. Samantarang itong si Oliveros ay orthodox. Yun. Napakalakas na uppercut. Hindi nga lang tumama mga idol. By
he starts out a little fast, although he slows down mid-round, mid-fight, no? So let's see how well he prepared for this
And
fight.
then how he will pace himself, because he's starting off quick here in the early sequences of the first round. Now he has Oliveros against the ropes once again. He's really trying to set up that low uppercut.
Talk about no patience here. Huh? He wants to end it quick.
alright, so nasa kalahati na po tayo ng round number 1 mga idol. Ito si Antimaro, very aggressive. Siya yung sumusugo dito sa laban na ito mga idol against Oliveros. Ito, napalubid nito si Oliveros mga idol. Ariel Antimaro, may bit-bit niya ngayon mga idol ang kasalukuyang record na 10 wins and 4 losses and 1 draw. Out of his 4 of his wins coming by KO. Samantalang ang kanyang mga kalaban mga idol is si Romel Oliveros, may kasalukuyang record na 11 wins, 9 losses and 2 draws. Ayan. So ginanap po ang laban po nila ngayon mga idol doon po sa Metro Manila, Parañaque City. The Flash Grand Ballroom of the Elordi Complex. Ayun, knockdown na mga idol. I don't think na makakatayo po ito. Maluba yung knockdown. Alright, congratulations po. Panalo po si Antimaro via first round TKO sa round number 1.
The bout. Quick work here by Ariel Antimaro. Vicious body shot there by Ariel Antimaro. And knocks the wind out of Romel Oliveros in the very first round.
No feelings book left to the
So
body.
ito yung replay mga idol. Tingnan natin kung paano natumba. Yun, isang straight to the body. Medyo talagang nasaktan si Oliveros.
Right in the solar plexus.
Alright, panalo po si Antimaro via TKO mga idol. So sa ngayon, ang record niya ay magiging 11 wins na po mga idol. 11 wins and 5 KOs. So congratulations po kay Ariel Antimaro.
Pasok yung left hand ni Antimaro.
Ladies and gentlemen, your official time. 2 minutes and 37 seconds of round number 1, winner by knockout, Ariel AAA Antimaro.
And now it's official.
5 minutes.